Hello guys, it's your boy Caleb, and today's video I have squeaky shoes, and I know a lot of people have this problem. Today people use baby powder, but that's not how I roll. So I'm gonna use WD-40. It's right here. See, I got this WD-40 and I copped them. Alright, so you get the shoes, you get the WD-40. You get the WD-40. Then, okay guys, then you spray it. Okay guys, we're gonna wait 40 minutes and we're gonna come back later and see what happens. Alright guys, here's the results. It doesn't squeak no more. Okay, I'm out guys. It's your boy Caleb, and 2 + 2 = 4.